I don't think sleeping. I looking at you with eyes from yesterday, okay? Don't think judging me. It's alright. So as we're driving, I'm thinking of, this thing of baby mama. Huh. People finding something special about baby mama. We are too old for this shit, okay? It's either I'm your wife or I'm nothing. You don't think calling me baby mama or I must find exciting or excitement in being called baby mama. This meaning that I am a generator of babies. I'm just baby mama. How about wife or something? I don't think picking of baby mama. Hey, my baby daddy. Hey, baby mama. It's a shit.